Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM31 blades are making a horrible grinding noise, it's likely due to wear and tear over time or a misalignment of the components. If left unchecked, this issue can lead to more significant damage, affecting the functionality of your device and potentially costing more to repair. To fix this problem, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set with Torx bits, a replacement blade assembly, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to prevent any accidents. Start by carefully removing the lid and the bowl from the base. Next, locate the screws securing the base of the unit. These are usually found at the bottom or under the rubber feet. Using the appropriate Torx screwdriver, unscrew them gently, being careful not to strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the base cover to reveal the internal components. The grinding noise is often caused by the blade assembly itself. To locate it, follow the central shaft down into the unit where the blades are housed. Disconnect any cables attached to the blade assembly by gently pulling them out, taking care not to damage surrounding components. Now, remove the damaged blade assembly by unscrewing it from its mount. Remember to note the orientation for the new assembly. Replace it with the new blade assembly, ensuring it fits securely into place. Reattach any disconnected cables, making sure they are firmly connected. Before reassembling the unit, check for any debris or residue that may have built up, as this can cause further issues. Clean around the area with a soft cloth. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully replace the base cover and screw it back into place, ensuring everything is tightly secured. Reattach the bowl and lid, plug in your Thermomix, and test it to ensure the grinding noise has stopped and everything functions correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the condition of your blades and ensure to clean them thoroughly after each use. Additionally, avoid overloading the machine, as this can put unnecessary strain on the blades. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.